Guys, again, July 10th, 27th day of the Tour Discovery. This video is to answer a question one of my viewers asked a few days ago, and I didn't have an opportunity to answer and or to write back. And the question was, why did you decide not to go for the Go 1.3? Because I had been testing the Go 1.3 at the beginning, and I was looking into that. What was the reason for not selecting the Go 1.3? And to be honest, there are several reasons. One is cost, extremely expensive. You're looking at what, $9,500? That's pricey. You're looking at the price of basically a car. So that's number one. Number two, when I tested the Go 1.3, I was a little bit hesitant with regards to with the frame. I didn't feel the frame was as strong as the frame of the Expedition. And I'm going through all sorts of terrain. As you can see right now, I'm going through really bad terrain. A velomobile is very low to the ground. The clearance is not there. And then all of a sudden you have terrain like what I'm going through right now, which is, I mean, this will test a recumbent trike and would definitely punish a Go 1.3. The other aspect was heat. They're not very good when it comes to ventilation. They're very good for cold climates, but I've been in excess of 102 degrees, plus the heat that's generated by my own body movement, so I would have cooked. There was another aspect. The seat of the Go 1.3 is made of either fiberglass or carbon fiber. I'm not sure. I think it's fiberglass, but what is important is not whether it's fiberglass or carbon fiber. What's important is that it's hard. And so I tested it for I rode it for about 2 hours, and my buttocks, my rear end was starting to get numb. And you know, when you go out touring, you're going to be doing 10, 12 hours a day, and I just imagine what the punishment would be if I had done that. So, the combination of the Expedition with the Veltop. Well, last year I crossed the continent and I used both, and they were extremely successful. So if it works, don't change it. And now with the new adaptations of the Veltop, as you can see, you know how easy it was for me to bring down the sides. I have incredible ventilation. I'm not adding weight because yes, the Go 1.3 is heavier. It's going to be a good 35 to 40 pounds heavier than the Expedition. And the Expedition's an excellent touring trike. Aluminum frame, it's light, it's sturdy. It doesn't have a lot of parts. You know, anytime you have too many parts, you're basically asking for trouble, because the more parts you have, the higher the likelihood, any of them, eventually will fail. So more parts, more possibilities for failure on different fronts. So issues: cost, just practicality, convenience, comfort, weight, reduction of heat, increased ventilation. So when you combine all those aspects, the choice was right. And here's proof. I'm still pedaling. I'm doing it slowly because it's gravel full of potholes, and it's raining. But I'm making progress. Had I been here with the Go 1.3, I would be hard pressed to be able to make any progress at all. So that is my comparison, my review. Again, if you tested something and it works, don't be too quick to just move to the next thing. Again, Trike manufactures a phenomenal touring trike. The Expedition is phenomenal. It's excellent. This time around, I had minor problems, but you're going to encounter problems anyway when you go on these long trips. It's just the nature of what you're doing. And Veltop has a phenomenal product. It is light, It, it is affordable when you compare the price you would have to pay for a full velomobile. And, and though people try to come up with other designs, I'm telling you, guys, it is perfect. Okay, that's pretty much my answer, and I will catch you later.